Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use airdrop on iPhone. So here there will be two ways that you can do for activating the airdrop. So airdrop is used for transferring or receiving the data in iPhone to iPhone or from iPhone to iPhone. So if you want to activate the airdrop, just go into the settings, and after that just scroll down until we found a general. Just click it and there will be appear here the airdrop, and then just click it, and now you can choose about the airdrop assessment. You can click contact only, means that your contact on iPhone only that can see or access the airdrop, or receiving or sending the file into your contacts. But if you want to activate this, so everyone excluded into your contact will be able to access the airdrop. But if you want to turn off the airdrop, you just need to click receiving off, and then that's the first way. And the other way is just go into your shortcut, slide down the screen, and after that you can see here the airdrop will be there, so you just need to click this. Okay, and then it will be appear several options. You can see here there is an airdrop, and there is information that receiving is off, so you just need to click it, and you can choose either you want to do a contact only, means your contact will send or receive the airdrop or the file from the airdrop, or everyone who are not included into your contact can see your airdrop. So that's all the way you access or use the airdrop on iPhone. If you find out this video is really useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.